Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have a new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and find your MetaQuest pin. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. For that matter, what you gotta do is, first of all, you gotta open your MetaQuest app right there in your mobile phone. Once your app is open, it's basically gonna look like this right there in the home page. So for you to, if you would like to find your pin, so there is no option called where you can tap on it and you can see your pin or you can locate it. So there is no way for that, because once you set it, as for the security reason, it's supposed to be saved with you. You gotta remember it. If in case you have forgotten one, if you would like to find it again, then there is another option. So for that matter, go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line below called the menu. Now tap on the settings icon over here and tap on this reset MetaQuest pin given option. This will give you an form option where you will have to enter your current pin to confirm a new pin. Since we do not know our first pin, we'll tap on this forgot pin option, which will give us an access to request a pin reset, and it will be simply a sent email from MetaQuest itself to the linked email of your account. Go to that inbox, tap on that link, enter new email just like in the previous form we got it, enter the new pin, confirm the new pin, tap on reset option, you're good to go. You will have a new pin resetted. Make sure to remember that one, make sure to note it down so next time you don't have to go through all this process. So this is basically it, guys. This is the way for you to get it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. If you got more questions, leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.